times in his rhymes cause his memories. We running through New York so you never leave. Strap my lungs then we puffin' through with that right. But giving them some stories they come back like manic this, manic that, why you crawling to me?
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're watching this, you're probably wondering why I'm doing this video. The reason I'm doing this video is purely because, as many of you guys know, we've moved over to the channel membership. The reason I've moved over to the channel membership is a lot of it is truly because these videos I'm giving are worthy of a channel membership, and also they're very, very worthy of making money from them, because this knowledge isn't available anywhere on YouTube. If you try and look how to create a BMW test platform anywhere on YouTube, it doesn't come up. But on my channel membership, it will, and the video will be found, but nobody will be able to watch it unless they subscribe to the membership. Therefore, I'm going to be doing this on the membership. The reason I'm doing this, I know a lot of you guys have supported me. I know a lot of you guys don't have the money for this, but I know a lot of you guys would love to take part in this. The reason I've done the channel membership, and this is not to push everyone out, let me just be straight and very blunt here, was purely because we get a lot of the haters who watch the videos and end up disliking the video, but they're using it to help themselves and benefit their car, to keep their car running. Now, I know this because they'd only be able to dislike if they were subscribed still to the channel. So they're subscribed and they're watching, waiting for videos to come out. This is purely why we moved over to the membership, and I do thank YouTube a lot for this, because if I'm honest with you guys, and I'll be very blunt, member videos was only released in August 2019. Now, if this was beforehand, I wouldn't have been able to do this, but this is why YouTube gave creators the power to be able to do this. This is why they chose not to remove the dislike button, because as many of you guys would have seen as well from the links I put up on the videos for the membership, you guys would have seen that even if you click on it, if you're not a member, you can't dislike it. Now, on the membership, it gives me full access and full control. So let me just explain to you a bit about what membership involves. So for instance, when you sign up for membership, YouTube state that all your details will be shared with third party name, obviously last 4 digits of your card, things like that, and so on and so on. I can see when you change your membership, how many days you've been active, your full name, your channel name, and so on and so on. I can also see, I'm in full control of the videos, the dislikes, who's disliking, who's not. If I block you from the channel, or I block you from your membership, you don't get that money back either, so you won't be refunded for the channel membership. Therefore, it gives me a lot more power than what the normal YouTube platform does. And like I said, big thanks goes to YouTube for doing this, because if it wasn't for YouTube, these members' videos still wouldn't exist. Before this, they would only allow behind the scenes, things like that, but they actually allowed you now to be able to drag over content to your membership, which is really, really good. I am sorry for a lot of the countries as well, because I know a lot of you are still trying to join the membership and it's coming up, it's not available in your country. And I do understand your frustration that you want to be part of it. It's way out of my hands. That's to do with YouTube. Hopefully it will become part of your country very soon. I know a lot of you in Nigeria and elsewhere in the country, there's certain countries it doesn't apply to the membership yet, but it will be available in your region. Membership is still very new, and they're still trying to roll it out, especially for videos, because videos has only been done since 2019, so some countries won't get that anyway. It's very limited, and it's still in beta mode, and they're still using it, and they've received very, very good feedback from all the creators regarding this. It's worked out a treat for not just me, but I'm speaking for people all over as creators. The channel membership with the videos has worked an absolute treat, and people are really, really enjoying it, and people are, man, it's a good way. It's a good way to stop a lot of the haters, and this is what YouTube stated as well. Now, obviously, being a channel owner, I get to watch all the certain videos that other people can't see, and obviously this is the reason they did this, because everyone was getting dislikes. So membership stops that. It puts a barrier there, and if you block them, they've just paid for you, so then they don't get their money back, and YouTube don't refund them either, so they're left without any kind of backup. Where on a normal video they can and do that. But there will be other videos coming out, guys, but my main focus is the membership. I do have a lot of members on here already. I have over nearly 70 members on this channel. I have to cater for them, and we're putting out videos more on here, and you guys don't probably understand why. These guys are paying people, and I have to do that. There's some channels that run membership, and I'm not going to say no names, but I think a lot of you know who they are already, that people pay for, and they don't deliver on their promises on what they're going to deliver. And that's purely because it's not them to blame, it's just they haven't got much to offer on a membership like I have. Now, obviously, I don't hate on anybody. I'm not trying to say anything about anyone. I'm just stating the facts that obviously it's unfair for a lot of the channels to charge a membership fee every month, and then people not put out what they're actually stating on their perks. I'm delivering on everything I say on my perks, and I'm delivering to the people. Now, I know a lot of you guys can't afford it, but if you guys want to join, this is the only place you're going to be seeing a lot of videos more than public. This is not just because of the haters. This is just purely because with the way the current economy's down, CPM is down, so it's destroying channels left, right and center all over the world. So I therefore do the membership, which is very stable. It's not much income, but in the same sense, it helps me just be able to do videos for the people that actually care about this channel. And I've got, and most of them, I know they're long-term members. Most of them have either got the software, most of them have either wanted how to use it. And we're going to be doing a lot on here. What a lot of you don't realize is we're going to be doing a lot of remapping. We're going to be doing a lot of the module repairs. We're not just doing on BMW, we're going to Mercedes, because as many of you guys know, their ECUs need a lot of module repair. You can't just clone them, they need the full ECU rebuilt. A lot of you will probably be aware as well, with Mercedes as well, you also get a countdown time, which a lot of people always ask me how to take that off. Now what that is on the diesels, gets a countdown time, and if you don't fix either the DPF sensors or the DPF, Mercedes will restrict you from driving the van. And that's a common problem that I get constant from people all over the place. That's something I'm showing you how to remove as well. Like I said, there's a lot of information that I'm going to be giving on this membership. Also had to create a test platform, which is the next video. Now, for any of you who ain't members, I would tell you, please go on, make sure you're subscribed to the expert package if you want to see these videos. They're not going to be on a semi-pro. They're basically just little packages that I'm giving. You're going to see behind the scenes a little few photos here and there, but the expert package is where you're going to see everything. Obviously, every software that's being used as well, which is on the video as well, when I'm giving all the tutorials that we're going to be probably about 30 to 40 minutes long. Each tutorial, and they're going to be fully in HD quality. As many of you guys probably would have seen, I've got a manager now who's actually running all my editing on for me and everything on all the software to do it all properly. So I've got that in progress as well, and obviously it's going to have nice music in the background and things like that. So it's going to make it a lot more subtle, a lot more better for when you're trying to learn and watch the video fully. We've also, like I said to you, if you guys want help with your cars, I get a lot of emails from all of you asking me, can you help me with my car? What's this problem? What's that problem? If you subscribe to the membership, even at the $8.99 one, I'm willing to help you. I'll keep your car perfectly maintained. You'll have my WhatsApp number, and you can always contact me if you need help regarding your M52 and EM57 engine. It's something I get asked a lot, and I don't mind doing that for a load of you. It doesn't bother me. As I said, it is moving over to membership. I know a lot of you guys don't like that, but this is the way it's going for the channel at the moment. This is not to say I'm not going to put out no more public videos. I've got a lot more to put out public, but my main focus is the membership for now, until YouTube decides to recuperate itself, and so does the economy come back up and strong during this lockdown process. I am going to be focusing on all the members and the people that are actually paying members for this channel, because obviously they've supported me since the beginning, and obviously I know a lot of you guys have as well. And if you can't afford it, like I say, I can't do nothing about it. I can't let you in for free, but I just prefer the membership because I've got more control. I've got full control over it compared to the normal videos, which I really like. And that's why a lot of you guys, I know a lot of you were very upset, because I used to get a lot of messages from you asking me about the membership and how you could join, but I don't think you realize that you had to pay, because, and it's not your fault, and let me just state, it's not your guys' fault. This is more to do with YouTube, because YouTube have made you think you can click on their videos and watch everyone's videos free and don't have to pay for nothing. Now, when a membership comes around, everyone's expecting it to be one price set up, and it's not like that. It's down to the creator how much they want to charge. Hell, I could have charged up to £100 a month for this membership, but I never. Before that, I was going to be charging £50 a month, and I lowered it to £40. All the other memberships were going to be about 20, and the lowest one was going to be around $15.99. I changed my mind and made it more reasonable for everyone to be able to afford. And like I say, I've got a lot more people from it, and as they say, less is more, and that's why I did that, because obviously I'm not a greedy person, but I could have. I don't have a price. I could sell it to whatever price I want, whatever price I feel comfortable with. I'm in full control, but I chose not to. I didn't want to exceed the price. It's not reasonable. Realistically, I could have done that, and people probably would have paid it. If I'm honest with you, people probably would have paid it. But that just isn't me. I'm not greedy. I don't need the money like that. So realistically, I'm just here to give you an education and show you how to use all this software, and obviously how to set up certain things, how to do remapping and things that you guys actually want to know. And I'm not willing to pull it out on normal videos, and therefore it stops a lot of creators recopying your content. It stops a lot of haters watching your content and going and doing it on themselves. You know, it puts a block in everyone's way, and that's what I'm trying to do, is to block out anyone who's trying to recopy or try and dislike and then try and make a business or try and do it themselves. That won't happen. And as many of you guys would have seen, when they click on a video, they can't hit the like or dislike either. You know, it's got so much control, and I just love the way it is. And you guys probably will see there's a load of likes on the last video if you had seen the link, and that's the same way it will be for this next video. In the next video though, guys, you will see me making a test platform. It's all behind me. I'm going to be showing them on the membership what module goes where, what pin goes where, how everything is linked up on the system itself. So if you guys will want to check out this video, go head over to the expert package. The video will be live in an hour's time from when you see this video at 7 PM, so you can go and catch it on the membership on the expert package only. It will not be released out to the pro package. So if you are in the pro package, make sure you switch over to the expert package, because as I said, I didn't state I was going to be giving videos out to the pro package. So like I say, to all the people that do support me, and I know you can't afford it or it's not available in your region, thank you very much, and I look forward to you coming over to the membership when you can. Like I said, I will still be putting videos out for you guys, so don't think I'm going to stop. It's not like that, but these videos are sticking to the membership, and that's the way it's going to be. So I hope you guys have enjoyed enjoyed this video, please just let me know what you think. Obviously, I always appreciate your comments. I know a lot of you are going to tell me this, that, the other, like many of you already done. A lot of you are angry, and that, you know, it's very good because I'm getting all the haters come out now and they're telling me what they actually think, and I'm managing to find who was the haters, and we're just going around just getting them off the channel. So it's worked out an absolute treat for me, and they can stay there all they want, because you see, the thing about it is I always knew this day was going to come, and now they're completely finished. So them sticking to the channel is absolutely pointless, because they're not getting no gain staying here. You know, they're getting nothing. So it's absolutely ridiculous for them to stick on this channel. And like I said, I don't care if they do, because the way I see it, everything's on a membership. They can't do nothing no more. The people I got there are the people that are actually paying. And like I say, they don't affect my channel. They don't stop my channel. They always get people asking me how this is possible. How is that possible about me? I've worked my arse off for the last year on YouTube, as many of you guys know, what my absolute arse off to get to where I am today. You know, I've grown probably the fastest BMW channel ever to be on YouTube in a year, and I'm very, very proud of where I've become. Very, very proud. And like I said, for me to do this membership, I think I deserve what I'm doing here, and what I'm giving to the people is worth the money. And a lot of people already know that. All the people that are subscribed to this membership already know they're going to get their money's worth, and they're going to end up saving thousands just by paying the £40 a month. You know, when it comes to a module repair, and you end up saving yourself nearly $3,000, $4,000 or $2,000 for a module repair, based on this video that costs you £40 a month, you're going to end the money. It's going to be full worth it. So, and you're going to have the skills for life to even go out and create your own business. So I think it's worth the £40 a month, and so do all the guys here. I've got a lot of companies that are subscribed to this membership, as well as a lot of people that are loyal to me. So thank you very much, guys. And if you can come over to the membership, I would appreciate it. And like I say, you guys won't be missing out on anything, because I'm very loyal, as you guys know. I'm a man of my word. I give you what I say I'm going to give, and I deliver on what I say I'm going to deliver on. Regardless being well or not well, I do deliver on my promises. Thank you very much, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.